have landed here in Key West, Florida, and I am just now going to pick up my rental car. There she is. About to get in this and head up to Marathon, where I'll be staying. So what am I doing in Key West? I'm here to fish this weekend, and so I have booked a charter with a guy I met through Instagram, Captain Jamie Connell. So I'll be staying here for the next few days, doing some fly fishing for all sorts of species. So we'll just have to see what we get into.
So I've just made it to my room here in Marathon, Florida. This is where I'm going to be staying. It's just quite a bit cheaper to stay in Marathon as opposed to Key West. I actually have a dinner meeting with a couple of guys from just north of here, Key Largo, Miami area, coming down to meet and talk about some ministry opportunities in the Florida Keys. So excited about that. Got about a 45-minute break before I have to head north to Islamorada to the Green Turtle Inn, where we're going to have dinner tonight.
It's Friday morning, early wake-up call. Going to meet Captain Jamie Connell back in Key West, meeting about 7:30. 7:15, just made it here to the boat ramp. Got here about 15 minutes early to make sure that I wasn't late. You never want your guide to have to wait on you. I'm supposed to call Jamie whenever I get here and let him know that I've made it. So I'm about to do that now, and we're gonna get the boat in the water. Looking forward to today. Sunday morning, time to check out of the Banana Bay Resort and head back into Key West for church at 5th Street Baptist Church this morning. Honda State Park. Locals call it Bay Honda. Just got through talking to the nice lady at the check-in station. Paid my $4.50. I am told that this is the best beach in the Keys. So, and then if you look like a TripAdvisor, it echoes that sentiment. So, I'm just going to come and check this out on my way to church this morning. Check it out maybe for a future trip. See some people up here enjoying the beach. She told me to check out the walk to the top of the old bridge. So, definitely check that out while I'm here. If you're visiting the Keys and you are wanting to check out Bay Honda Beach, it is right before the 7 Mile Bridge. So if you're coming from Key West headed towards Marathon, it's right before you get on the bridge. Coming from Marathon, it's right after you get off the bridge. So it's located about mile marker 40. So come check it out. On the walk up to the bridge, one thing that keeps going through my mind is I've seen on the side of the road, mostly roadkill, these massive iguanas. So I wonder whether or not I'm gonna see one this morning. Here's hoping, but hoping that they also don't chase me. They look pretty scary. All right, so here's where you can walk to on the old Bay Honda Bridge. Of course, this road was built over a railway. If you want to know more about it, pause the video and read the sign. It tells you all about it. Down below is the beach. Pretty nice beach for the Keys. If you've ever been to the Keys, you know what I'm talking about. Not known for its spectacular beaches like South Alabama, part of the Gulf Coast of Florida, but still pretty incredible. Welcome to the Florida Keys. This is a fun little state park, well visited. Early here, there's still people already packing in here, setting up their stuff for a fun day on the beach. Got a couple of groups that are barbecuing. Smells really good. Gotta check this place out if you're ever here. Well, I had an incredible time visiting the folks at 5th Street Baptist Church, Pastor Josh Dreyer, who I was able to grab coffee with last night. It was incredibly encouraging to see such a diverse community of people together for worship. So I have around 3 hours before I board my flight for back home. So I'm gonna go explore a little bit more of Key West. Well, I'm back at the airport. Just got through returning my rental car. Got about an hour to my flight, headed home. It's been an amazing time in the Keys. Until next time, peace out, Conch Republic.